In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to a big cartel site using Dropinblog, and we'll get through it in just 5 minutes. If you're running an online store on Big Cartel and looking to enhance your site with a blog, this is the perfect solution for you. Adding a blog can help you engage your audience, share updates, and boost your site's visibility. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, let's navigate to the Big Cartel website. Open your browser and head over to bigcartel.com. This is where artists and small businesses set up their shops. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to look for the login option. It should be right there at the top, so go ahead and click that. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your shop's URL and your password. Once you've typed in your details, click log in to access your dashboard. Now that you're in your Big Cartel dashboard, look for the apps section. This is where you'll find various integrations that can enhance your store's capabilities. Click on apps to continue. On the apps page, you'll see a category called marketing and promotion. This section contains various tools to help market your store, and it's where we'll find Dropinblog. Within the marketing and promotion section, look for the Dropinblog app. Once you've found it, click on the app to learn more about what it can do. You'll see an option to install Dropinblog. Click install and follow the on-screen steps to get it set up. It's a straightforward process, so just follow along and you'll be done in no time. Before you proceed, it's important to mention that adding a blog using Dropinblog requires an upgraded account on Big Cartel. If you're using a free plan, you'll need to consider upgrading to utilize this feature. Once you've confirmed your account status, follow the prompts to complete the installation. As you finalize the installation, Dropinblog will integrate seamlessly into your Big Cartel site. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to start blogging almost immediately. The blog will become a part of your site's navigation, making it easy for visitors to access it. And there we have it, you've successfully added a blog to your Big Cartel site using Dropinblog. This new feature is a powerful tool for keeping your audience engaged and informed with regular updates, stories, or behind-the-scenes looks at your business.